Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Yes, so as we have completed our term 2 and we are starting our term 3 from today. So, the first lesson for term 3 will be Spots Windy Day. Yes, that's the name of the lesson. That is Spots Windy Day. आप लोगों ने कभी काइट उड़ाई है? Yes, you all have done that, no? Yes. So how did you enjoy? Did you enjoy it? Yes, you enjoyed it, no? So related to that only we have this lesson, that is Spots Windy Day. Okay, but before starting the lesson, we will be seeing the new words and dictation words of this lesson. So let's start the new words first, and then we will be seeing the dictation words. So the first word is suddenly, done without warning. मतलब अचानक से कोई चीज़ करना जिसके बारे में हमें पहले पता ना हो या हमें उस चीज़ के बारे में वार्निंग नहीं दी हो, उस टाइम पे जो चीज़ होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सडनली. दैट मीन्स डन विदाउट वार्निंग. Next, gust, sudden rush of wind, that is अचानक से बहुत हवा का झोंका हम बोलते हैं ना, so that is the sudden rush of wind, means अचानक से बहुत तेज हवा जब चलती है we call it gust. Wonder, फीलिंग ऑफ सरप्राइज, मतलब आई वंडर, हम ऐसे जनरली बोलते हैं ना आई वंडर, तो आई वंडर मीन्स व्हाट, दैट इज द फीलिंग ऑफ surprise. You are surprised, that's why you are thinking about it, so that is the feeling of surprise. Blowing, moving or flowing as a current, matlab blowing means what, you blow the air in the balloon, right? What happens, it's either moving or it's flowing, no, in the balloon. Yeah, so that is blowing. Okay. Stuck, unable to move. Stuck means अटकना, किसी चीज में अटक जाना, दैट मीन्स अनेबल टू मूव. सर्टेनली, विदाउट अ डाउट, मतलब बिना कोई डाउट रखे कोई काम करना, दैट इज सर्टेनली. हम जनरली यस के जगह भी सर्टेनली बोल सकते हैं. सोड, रोज वेरी हाई, मतलब ऊंचा, ऊंचा खड़ा होना. सो these are the new words of this lesson. You have to write all these new words in your English notebook for 2 times. Understood? The lesson is easy, no? Yes. So completed. Now we will be doing the dictation words of this lesson. So the first word is windy, windy, windy. Second, fields, fields, fields. Third, suddenly, suddenly, suddenly. Fourth, gust, gust. Fifth, wonder, wonder. Sixth, blowing, blowing, blowing. Seventh, whoosh, whoosh means हम आगे जब हम लेसन पढ़ेंगे I'll be explaining you the meaning of whoosh. WHOOSH, whoosh. Eighth, kangaroo, KANGAROO, kangaroo. Next, stuck, 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 STUCK. Next, certainly, CERTAINLY, certainly. Next, knocked, KNOCKED, knocked. Last, sword, SOARED. Okay, so you have to write all these dictation words 5 times in your English notebook. Understood? Yes. So complete your English notebooks And see you in the next period, everyone, with the explanation of this lesson, that is sports windy day. Okay, bye.